Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Ford Transit Connect XL. This four-door van has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.